Are you looking for a good cleaning and janitorial company in the Greater Toronto Area that is insured and bonded? Or are you ready to make the switch to a top commercial cleaning company with a proven track record? Then 724 Janitorial Services is just a call away. At 724 Janitorial Services, we specialize in commercial, industrial, residential, and retail cleaning and janitorial services in the Greater Toronto Area for over 10 years. With many satisfied customers and an experienced management team, we know you'll be thrilled with our cleaning services. Here are just some of the types of properties we service: offices, retail stores, restaurants, medical buildings, institutional facilities, hotels, condominiums, food plants, dealerships, industrial facilities, and much more. We also provide post-construction cleaning, power washing, carpet cleaning, high dusting, window cleaning, and strip and waxing. So, don't waste any more time. Simply give us a call at 416-890-3379 or visit our website at www.724janitorialservices.com to request a cleaning quote, and you'll be glad you did. Thanks for choosing 724 Janitorial Services for all your cleaning needs.